What if I told you that $100 could outperform $2 million in returns? Sounds unbelievable, right? Today we'll uncover the truth behind this financial paradox. Stay till the end, and I'll show you how small investments can lead to big outcomes. T's key points: compounding power, high growth investments, and strategies to maximize returns. Section 1. The basics of returns. Explain the concept of returns. Returns are the profits you earn on your investments, but the magic lies in how you earn them, through smart decisions and compounding. Compare $2 million in a fixed deposit, FD, versus $100 in a high-growth stock or cryptocurrency. $2 million in FD at 6% annual returns after 10 years equals $3.58 million. $100 invested in a stock growing at 50% annually for 10 years equals $5,739. Section 2. The power of compounding. Define compounding. It's earning returns on your returns. The longer you invest, the more powerful compounding becomes. Example: $100 doubling every year grows exponentially compared to $2 million with linear growth. Quote, Albert Einstein, compound interest is the eighth wonder of the world. Section 3. Real-life examples. Case study. 1. Early investors in companies like Amazon or Tesla who started with small amounts. Case study 2. Fixed income investments like FDs or bonds and why they're safe but slow growing. Section 4. Strategy to maximize returns. 1. Start early. Time is your biggest ally in investing. 2. Take calculated risks. Invest small amounts in high-growth assets. 3. Diversify. Spread your $100 across multiple investments to reduce risk. 4th. Reinvest returns. Never withdraw. Let the power of compounding do its magic. So does $100 outperform $2 million? It depends on how you invest. Small, smart investments with high growth potential can beat large sums stuck in low-growth assets. Call to action. If you found this video insightful, like, share, and subscribe for more financial wisdom. And remember, it's not how much you invest, but how smartly you invest that makes all the difference.